So this is the Bitcoin chart, and you can see from my meme lines, the triangle over here, the Bitcoin price is actually falling below the triangle, breaking on the downside, and now it's falling further down. Now check this out, this line over here, 30,890. If the price of Bitcoin drops below that line on the daily and closes on the daily below 30,890, the chances are big we are going even further down. Actually, it's around 26,000 where my target is, 26, 27, give or take in the ballpark of that area. So the question becomes, on Ethereum, how is Ethereum gonna go up when Bitcoin is gonna go down? That's the question. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the new video. Today we're doing Ethereum. By the way, how's family, how's wife and kids, husband and kids, all that shebang? Good? Nice. And for you new guys, this is technical analysis channel. We only do technicals, not fundamentals. Don't be angry if I say something that, oh, Ethereum got some kind of good tech and tool and everything is gonna go to, we don't care. We just care like price movement right now. Anyways, let's start with some technical analysis on Ethereum. And like I told you right now, the Bitcoin is bearish. I don't know if you understand, but it's bearish. And if Bitcoin is bearish, a lot of entire crypto is gonna be bearish as well, and they are sensing it, they can feel it. So I've been checking right now YouTube, and a lot of YouTubers are really bullish on Ethereum. It's gonna go through all-time high and all that. So I'm not trying to be controversial or what is it? Contrarian. I'm just seeing the realistic. I mean, there are some positive technicals, and I'll show you about Ethereum right now, but we have to have it in the back of our head that Bitcoin is actually going down right now. So let's see what's happening on Ethereum right now. We have, of course, this over top over here, but it's only 2 touches, so this is actually not confirmed yet. Okay, this is not confirmed yet because we only got 2 touches over here. Some better line would be something like this, maybe horizontal line 1, 2, 3 touches or something like that. That would be a better line, but right now let's use this one because it doesn't actually really matter that much. And then you got this really nice line over here, touch, almost touch, touch, almost touch, and broke it on the downside, and now it's actually retesting the line as a resistance, as you can see here. And this is the biggest thing I see on Ethereum right now that makes me think this is it's bearish. It's bearish because if it cannot break this line over here right now, Ethereum, this line over here, it cannot get back into this triangle. Doesn't matter how you draw it, something like this or this. If it doesn't break the line, you see, even if you put it down here, the target is in the same area. If it cannot get back into the triangle, there is no hope. We are going further down. Now, I told you there are some positives about this. For example, positives are the moving averages. This is moving averages on the 4 hour, and you can see that price is above all the moving averages, 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving average, and is actually bullish on the 4 hourly. Just looking at the moving averages. On the daily, on the moving averages is actually really good because it dropped below the 20, but this next day it just came back right above the 20 moving average. And then, whoa, wait, we forgot to get into the charts so you can see more of the chart. Okay, let's continue. And the next day we held it as support, and then we pumped back to this line, to the resistance, and we are trying to get into it. So, and of course on the weekly we are way above the moving average. So I don't know if this is bullish or bearish because we are really extended, but let's just say that we are above moving averages, and therefore we are bullish on the moving averages. There are other ways to draw this triangle over here, right? Some people draw it like a rising wedge or something like that, but there's, I don't know if I'm gonna say, I think we got to go to the 1 hourly for this, and then say that's creating some kind of triangle, maybe triangle, something like this, right? And that means that it's actually inside the triangle. It went out of the triangle, went back into the triangle, so the line to break is actually up here around 1400, was that 1392, something like that, right? The top over here. So if it actually manages to break out of the triangle on the upside, it will be good. Also looking on the 1 hourly moving averages, the price is above all the moving averages, so that's bullish, and we are getting close into the triangle. So if this is the triangle we are looking at, the price is bullish and it might actually pop on the upside, right? it's ascending triangle as well. So all depends on how you look at it. There are other bullish signs, and I'll show you now other bullish signs, and that's on the RSI. First one is on RSI. I think we have to look on 4-hourly for this one. I think let's see. No, the daily. Let's see daily. Yeah, the first one is daily. So basically, what happened with the price here on these two tops is we got bearish divergence because price was going down. Price was going up. The RSI was going down, and that's this drop over here. Okay, that's the bear. So this bearish divergence played out. You cannot expect it going down for more. So that's finished. That's done. Now there's a bullish hidden divergence that's playing out, still playing out, and that's this one. So the RSI is going down while the price is going up, right? So that's bullish hidden divergence, and that means continuation of the price. So, but that also might have been played out with this move up here, because this doesn't mean that it's gonna go on forever just because you got a small hidden bullish divergence, right? So right now, I don't know if this already played out or not, but if this on the daily, so it might actually continue further up. So as you see, there are both bullish signs and bearish signs. Well, actually, there's only like one bearish sign, but based on what we know about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is bearish, and all depends if Bitcoin is gonna close. Sorry, not that one chart. This chart. All depends if Bitcoin closes below this 30,890 line on the daily. If it does, I think actually Ethereum is gonna follow suit. So I wouldn't advise trading this. Of course, you do your money, I do my money, you do your trades, I'll do my trades, all that shebang as always. But it's really undecisive. So what I would do on Ethereum, I would wait. First of all, this is weekly, this is daily. I want to see the close above this line over here. Let's use main for this. You can see already the price is above this line, and this is 12.78.79, something like that. If it keeps above 12.79, it keeps above this line. It's not all that bullish because we are not above this top yet. But once you are above this top, it's a game over because you are already new all-time high, right? So this top over here is important. Let's look at this on the 4-hourly. Let's look on this 4-hourly. It's almost there. Let's say 4-hourly. 4-hourly can go up there. I don't know what to tell you, man. Wait. Let's move it down there. We are above there. That's 4-hourly. Yeah, let's say on the daily. If we can keep above on the daily, above 12.79, 12.80, we are bullish. But all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin drops, everything's gonna drop. You know that. Everybody knows that. All crypto will drop if Bitcoin drops. So watch for 12.79 line. But preferably on the 4-hourly, you would want to go all the way up here. You would want to go all the way up here, and that's right now where the it's resisting it on the 4-hourly. You see here, it went up, touched it, went right back, tried to get above it, resist it. That's a 13.45, actually not 13.47, 13.45. So the first step I would wanted to close above 13.45 on the 4-hourly, just so we can start seeing where this is going. And then on the daily at 12.79, 12.80, right? Let's just put it 12.80 right there. Yeah, there's line 12.80. We can also put line there just so you can see it better. You can see it there. There's 12.80. So you want to close about 12.80 at least, because you can see here the resistance here on the 4-hourly, how long it was. Once we broke it, we got this resistance. Now try to break it, but you want to keep above this line. On 4-hourly, you want at least to close above 13.45, and on the daily, you want to stay above 12.80. I'm not going to talk about bearish target, but right now, I think this line is what scares me the most about this. You know, wait. Let me draw it nicely here. This one over here, which we are gonna use, which is the stick. I think something like this. Yeah. this line over here, that's what scares me the most, because it is strong line. It is really strong because it goes all the way to, in December on the startup. It's been holding really nicely. Now we are below the line, so to break this line as well and to go to all-time high, I think Bitcoin has to be bullish for that. I think Bitcoin has to be bullish for that. And there is one last thing we have to talk about, and that's the MACD. MACD on the daily, I think, yeah, on the daily. You can see on the daily it went bearish, then went bullish, then went bearish again, and now it's converging, so it might actually keep on, the price might actually turn and go up, but let's see on the weekly, still bullish, monthly, of course, bullish, daily. So the signal line is below the, no, sorry, the moving average is below the signal line, so we are bearish, but it is starting to converge against each other. So if this holds, if the price holds above 1280, I think this could continue upwards, but if it falls below 1280 on the daily, I will be looking for lower targets. So that's from me on the Ethereum. If you like this video, man, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos about something that people are talking about, basically. And if you want to see more content, extra content, think about subscribing to the Patreon. $1 1 month, like 91 spots left. Once that's filled, price is gonna moon like you know what. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. New video. Bye bye.